Hey, Sammy, how we doing tonight? What do
Good.
we got shaking?
Top 15 best Amazon seller locks.
Padlocks. Yeah, we got a mail call today. Bunch of locks. We'll see how we fare, huh? So let's see what we got for variety of quality and security here. Yeah, should we give it a shot?
Yep.
All right. Let's take one for a spin. How about it? Go for a test drive?
I think I'm gonna go for this one.
Yeah.
It looks pretty different.
Looks a little different. Yeah. Let's see here. What do we got? That's a little bit different shape. No?
Yep.
So what is this? The Master Lock solid brass trailer coupler latch lock. So we got a spring-loaded bolt there. All right. We got for features. Ooh, that seems pretty confident. Read number 4 to me, Sam, please. See what they're talking about here.
Number 4 says precision pin tumbler mechanism for superior pick resistance.
Superior pick resistance. I think they're better than others, huh? This one's gonna
Sounds confident.
confident that someone won't be able to pick it very easily, right?
Yep.
Should we take it for a spin? See if they're accurate. All right. Let's see if this is superior indeed. Let's see what we got going on. Looks like a pretty standard key. See if there's anything hidden in here. All right, let's get a little tension on this. That'll do. All right, watch this, because you see this kind of has a spring in it. That bolt's gonna pop out when it unlocks. All right, let's get inside here. See what we feel. If there's anything special going on. It's a little narrow, but that hasn't stopped us before. Well, nothing crazy. Let's there we go. That opened right up. See what's too superior about this. Now that we kind of know what we're doing. Let's try again, but I'm gonna go with a little bit smaller wrench just to give me a little bit more space.
Where's the small one?
I don't know. We got too much stuff.
This one I saw it. I thought I saw it over there. But
Good call. It is over here. All right. Let's go with this to give us a little bit more room. And a little bit more space combined with a little bit more knowledge. Let's see what we got for speed. All right. Ready? Ah. 3 seconds. Superior pick protection on this bad boy. What do you think? High quality?
no.
Superior in its pick protection?
No.
No? Trash?
I mean, it's not worse than another lock that we did.
So it is superior, but
It's superior to this one.
well, this I wouldn't even call this a lock.
Yeah.
So you could call it superior to absolute garbage.
You need a wrench.
You need a wrench?
No.
You show me.
Oh, it's stuck.
Yeah. If we're judging this, the standard of standard quality, yeah, this is superior by 2 seconds. Not sure what value that adds. All right, got a long way to go tonight. It's a lot of locks.